Yes, good morning. So it's day 6 here in Singapore and we will go to breakfast buffet here at Shangri-La. And tomorrow, alis na kami. Moving now to Maxwell for our lunch. Kasi makakain ng authentic Hainanese chicken rice. So pupunta kami doon. Buti na lang may line from our... So brown line tayo pupunta dun sa Maxwell station na stop. And then sabi daw, exit 3, nandun na daw tayo sa Maxwell. Kakain tayo ulit. Nandun daw yung Michelin star na Hainanese chicken rice na tinry na rin namin ni Mike before. And it's really good. Open area lang siya, so good luck sa mga kids. So sana mag-enjoy pa rin nila.
Ay, dito.
Hindi naman ang bebe tour na. Tinap niya. Favorite ng mga kids tong ay juice. Bibili ulit sa dad.
Share na lang sila, share.
Share. Ayun o. Ayun pala, sinisqueeze doon talaga. Okay, healthy kayo. Yes, we're here at Maxwell. And medyo pahirapan maghanap ng table. But luckily, we were able to find the table. Medyo maaga pa kasi. So I suggest, kung pupunta tayo dito, agahan nyo. Kasi nga, sobrang daming tao. Oh my gosh. Si Daddy nakapila na doon sa Chan Chan na Hainanese chicken rice. Ako naman nandito nakapila dito sa Michelin star na nila na 1950s coffee. Want to try their kaya toast with eggs and coffee. Ito siya, kaya toast, eggs, and meron akong milk tea. Ang sarap. So good. Ang sarap. So, pupuntahan ko naman si Daddy. Tutulungan ko siya. Baka mabigat yung dala niya. And sana, malapit. Ang haba ng pila, sobra. Sobrang haba. Hi! We're finally.
So steamed, tapos may roasted din, the version.
Okay.
Okay, here. Like that. This is chicken.
Sige.
Kumain na lang.
Erin!
Smile pa rin.
Ay! Napupupo! Hindi kahit sobrang haba ng pila, mabilis lang naman siya. So, nag-order si Daddy na ang dami-daming variant kasi mura lang naman siya. We had Hainanese chicken rice.
Roasted, tsaka steamed.
Let's taste it.
Tara yung water.
Yung sarap. So good.
Wait! Oh no! Put this inside here and I thought I was using a foil.
Eat. We're done here eating at Maxwell. Umulan kasi, so medyo nagtagal kami. Nagpatila lang kami ng ulan. Pero may mga konting drizzle pa. So, for safety, nilagyan na lang namin sila ng raincoat. Buti na lang itong stroller na Kins. Meron na siyang raincoat. Si Eric naman over here, he was able to sleep. Alam mo, sobrang okay si Eric kasi never siya nag-skip ng nap time niya. So right now, ang agenda lang naman talaga namin is we go to around like Chinatown.
way you be sober, that's top of the top.
You like that? 2 for $10. We'll buy 1 blue, 1 pink. What about you, Kaya? No?
Ask her. Sorry.
Said no.
Sayang may lavender na eh. Sige na, bigyan mo na.
Okay, wait. This one?
Yan, may pouch yan.
Okay.
So isa pa. Sarah, gusto mo? We're done here sa Chinatown. Bumili kami ng mga pasalubong. Nakabili ako ng hand cream for $10. And then si Erin, ano nabili mo? What did you buy? You bought Judy Hopps backpack. And then,
Look.
it's a microphone.
Yeah, I can record my voice.
Babalik kami sa train. And then, we will go visit Haji Lane. Sightseeing lang din kami doon.
How do you feel?
And then Em said, how about me? Where's my name?
So we're here at Bugis Station. Pupunta kami Bugis Street. Tapos pupunta kami Haji Lane and Arab Street. Let's go! Pakita mo muna. So proud of you.
Car or train?
Hi, Bugis Street! Arab Street! Actually, ito lang talagang gagawin namin. Gusto na namin mag-picture dito sa facade because it's very iconic. And nakapunta rin kami ng husband ko dito 9 years ago and we wanted to have a photo naman now with the kids. Ano yan, sir?
Ice cream drinks daw. Lychee
Okay.
and bubble gum.
Wow, what's that?
Strawberry ice cream biscuits.
Sarap.
He said it's not a soda, it's milk.
Ano malasa to?
Lychee. Lychee.
Realize.
Ito gusto mo to.
It's like cotton candy.
Yeah, you like?
Sige, okay na din to. Okay naman siya. Like it?
Parang kay lila, ganyan, na freeze-dried chicken.
Share, Ate Sarah. Maybe Ate Sarah likes. Sabi nila, strawberry ice cream na freeze-dry. Freeze-dry?
It kind of gets salty, so I need to wash my hands.
Parang siyang cotton candy na pinatigas.
Wow! So yummy!
So, nag-shoot lang kami dito sa Haji Lane. Tapos plan namin magpa-photo booth kasi yun yung parang iuso dito. Ito, na lang. Done with our photo booth na. Balik na kami ng Orchard. Sakay ulit kami ng train. Doon na kami magdi-dinner. At least yung dalawang kids, alam na nila paano mag-tap. At least yung ever since naman knows how to do it. Even 1-year-old ka pa lang, alam mo na. So back here at the Orchard Station, dito na lang kami mag-dinner para dito na rin kami sasakay ng free shuttle going back to our hotel. And happy si Daddy kasi zero taxi kami today. Ibig sabihin, less gastos kami today.
Si Erin na lang. Ano gusto mo?
Natatense kami kasi parang last 8 minutes na lang. Tapos nag-change pa si Eric ng diaper. Tapos, Eric. Kataranta ni Sarah. Sa boys, sa mid-CR siya nag-change. Si Daddy, nagtatatalo na sa Daddy is jumping.
They look like brother.
Tapos, Tapos, Eri naman, iyak ng iyak. Bakit ka umiiyak?
I want to push the button.
Gusto niya mag-press ng button. Nagmamadali na kami.
She wants to press the like up and down button sa elevator.
Tapos,
Because mommy and daddy keep pressing it, they won't give theirs to Erin. Right here. Okay, do. No.
Iligay na lang sa isang buong maliit tayo.
So, ang maganda rin dito sa Shangri-La apartment is that yung washer and dryer nila are free of charge. So, ang ginawa namin, since today is the last night na, nilalaundry na namin yung pwede namin i-laundry para pag uwi sa bahay, hindi na namin siya ilo-laundry ulit kasi nga, mag-New Year pa kami kina mamu. So, at least mawala na yung hassle of doing the laundry when we go back again to our house.
Eric enjoying his high chair in this room. Ayaw pa matulog. Parang sinusulit niya itong trono niya.
Hi.
This is her iPad.
And also, doing this for Eric.
Hi! So last night na namin dito sa Singapore, nakabihis na kami lahat. And matutulog na kami, mamimiss namin.
What's your favorite thing to do in Singapore? You?
They're that way.
Dinosaur.
It's Legoland and the zoo.
In the zoo.
You? What's your favorite?
Playground.
Playground.
Oh, I like Dihan.
Okay, sis. Thank you, Awa Paswan, for the trip.
Thank you, Singapore kids. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, Ate Sarah. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.